Today, let's understand this card in the simplest way possible. Imagine a figure sitting calmly, holding a sword in one hand and scales in the other. Everything is still, balanced, and precise. This figure represents truth, fairness, and clarity. Nothing is hidden here, everything is seen exactly as it is. This is justice. In this card, there is no emotion overpowering the decision, only logic, truth, and accountability. In one hand, there is a sword. The sword represents clarity, truth, and decisive action. It cuts through confusion and brings clear judgment. In the other hand, there are scales. The scales represent balance, fairness, and equality. Every action is weighed carefully, nothing is ignored. The figure sits upright, calm, and centered, showing neutrality, no bias, no emotional influence. Behind, there is a curtain. This shows that what is hidden will be revealed. Truth cannot stay hidden for long. This card is not about punishment. It is about truth, consequences, and fairness. Now, let's understand the meanings clearly. If this card comes upright, it indicates truth, fairness, and right decisions. Things will be handled justly, and balance will be restored. It can also indicate legal matters, contracts, or important decisions. If this card comes reversed, it shows imbalance, unfairness, or avoiding truth. There may be dishonesty, bias, or lack of accountability. Yes or no. If this card comes upright, it is a yes. If this card comes reversed, it is a no. Planet energy and chakra. The planet associated with this card is Venus, representing harmony, balance, and justice. Energy associated with this card is air, representing logic, clarity, and truth. Chakra is solar plexus, representing personal power, responsibility, and integrity. Now, let's understand the life areas. Career studies. If this card comes upright, fair results, recognition, or official decisions. Your efforts will be judged correctly. Good time for contracts, exams, or legal matters. If this card comes reversed, unfair treatment, delays, or misjudgment. Be careful with paperwork and avoid shortcuts. Love emotions. If this card comes upright, balance in relationship, honesty, and mutual respect. Both partners are willing to take responsibility. If this card comes reversed, imbalance, blame, or lack of honesty. One person may not be taking accountability. Health. If this card comes upright, balance is returning, recovery through discipline. Focus on routine and consistency. If this card comes reversed, imbalance in body, ignoring health signals. Need to correct habits and restore balance. General guidance. If this card comes upright, be honest, take responsibility, and act with integrity. Truth will always lead you to the right path. If this card comes reversed, stop avoiding the truth. Face the situation and correct what is not balanced. So, you cannot escape the truth, but you can choose to face it with clarity and create balance in your life.